Saved lists make it easy to order parts for your most common repairs and maintenance needs, like reconditioning your brakes or placing a restock order. Plus, lists are live in your account and can be quickly shared with other members of your crew, and you can also access your list from any device. Now we'll show you how to create new lists, upload a list using a CSV or Excel file, and save lists from your shopping cart. First, you'll need to log into your CAT account on parts.cat.com. Once logged in, click on the My Account icon at the top of the screen. Then select Saved Lists. Next, click Create List and give it a name. Here's a helpful tip. By default, lists are set to private, but you can change your settings to public if you'd like to share your list with members in your organization. Next, click Create and Save. You can now start adding items and quantities to your list. You can also add line item notes for future reference. While shopping, you can easily save your cart items as a new list, download the list, or add to an existing list. Simply click Save at the top of the shopping cart page and click Save to List. You then have two options: add to an existing list or create a new list. If adding to an existing list, just click on the saved list name, and your shopping cart items will be added to the list. Within the Saved Lists page located in your account, click Upload List. Next, click Browse to select a file you want to upload, then click Upload. Once your upload is complete, you can now access your list, edit quantities, and add all or select parts to your cart for checkout. Now that you've learned some ways to create lists, let's look at how to add items to your list. To add an item from a product page, just click Save to List. You can also type an item number and add to any list within the Save List tab. Now you can streamline checkout with your most frequently ordered parts. Visit parts.cat.com to get started today. To learn more, subscribe to the CAT Products YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.